So we're really excited to work with Dallas ISD to bring some middle school students in for these field trips. And we've got multiple trips planned throughout the year, talking about things from manufacturing to construction, the hour of code, design thinking, a focus on welding during welding month. And we're focusing with middle school kids so we can help them make their decisions as they're moving into high school. If some of these things they want to study in high school, they can make those decisions in 8th grade and get pointed to a career institute or to the right school that offers the program. This wire start feeding out. Can everybody see that?
Right here. Ready? Go.
The y-axis is back and forth that direction, and then z is up and down. Got a big Chick-fil-A coming today. Everybody like this?
You think it's going to be heavy?
My one point of encouragement for students that are looking at what all the different careers are out there is just to stay focused on having a plan. You know, college is not for everybody. Not every career requires college. Some of them require trade schools. Some of them you can launch right into out of high school. But I think the most important thing is to have a plan and find somebody to ask questions, right? Find the mentor, the teacher, the counselor, somebody that you feel comfortable talking with, that you can just ask the questions and trust their input. But my number one thing, and I tell my own kids this, is have a plan. And a plan is not, I'll figure it out tomorrow. Let's start figuring it out today.